Have you ever thought about cooking all your meals for a month? Yes, you heard it right. Every single meal. Now I know what you're thinking. Why would anyone want to do that? Well, let's take a step back and consider our current food culture. We live in a world of convenience where takeouts, restaurants, and ready-to-eat meals have become the norm. It's easy, it's quick, and let's face it, who has the time to cook every meal from scratch? But here's another thought. Many of us have a bucket list, right? A list of things we want to do or achieve in our lifetime. How about adding a new challenge to that list? A challenge that might seem a bit daunting at first. The challenge of cooking all your meals for a whole month. Yes, it might require a bit of time, effort, and possibly a few cooking lessons. But what if you could change this? What if you could take control of what you eat for a whole month? Imagine the possibilities. Cooking every meal for a month can bring about incredible benefits. Let's start with the obvious. Your health. When you cook at home, you control what goes into your meals. Less sodium, less sugar, more vegetables, more lean protein. You're the master of your culinary domain. Studies show that home-cooked meals tend to be healthier than restaurant meals, helping to reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Next, let's talk money. Eating out or ordering in might seem convenient, but it's often more expensive than cooking at home. By preparing your meals, you could save a significant amount of cash over the course of a month. Then, there's the development of a truly useful skill: cooking. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned home chef, a month of cooking every meal will certainly sharpen your culinary skills. You'll become more creative, more efficient, and who knows, you might even discover some hidden talent. Cooking at home also contributes to waste reduction. By planning your meals and buying only what you need, you can significantly reduce food waste. And finally, there's the sense of accomplishment. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of creating a delicious meal from scratch. The pride that comes from knowing that you've nourished yourself and perhaps your loved ones too. And the best part? You might just find a new hobby or even a passion. So, are you ready to take this challenge? Now think about it. A month of home-cooked meals. Doesn't it sound like a challenge worth taking? Imagine the satisfaction of creating your own culinary delights. Document the journey, the triumphs and trials. Share your recipes, your tips, your experiences. Stir up conversations, inspire others. Dare to take the leap. Cook all your meals for a month and experience the difference it can make. You might surprise yourself with what you can achieve. Remember, the kitchen is your canvas and you are the artist. So go ahead and create your masterpiece.